Hello guys, this is me Sagarli and you are watching the Sagarli YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about a concept. I am in hospital or I am at hospital. Which one is correct and which one is right? Well, in American English or even though in British, if you say I am in hospital, it means you are admitted in the hospital. If you say I am at hospital, it simply means you are there to seek someone. You are there to meet someone who is admitted. So the difference between I am in hospital is that means you are admitted in the hospital. I am at hospital means you are not admitted, but you are there to seek someone else. You are there to buy medicine. Alright? Thank you so much. See you in next video. Subscribe my channel. Keep like. If you have any kind of question, you may ask in comment box. Have a nice day.